This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a radiator in a Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by draining all the old coolant from the radiator and engine block into a suitable container. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Then, carefully remove the upper and lower radiator hoses, along with any transmission cooler lines attached to the radiator. Now, let's remove the old radiator. Start by detaching the fan shroud and any electrical connections, such as those for the fan or temperature sensor. Next, locate and unbolt the mounting brackets that secure the radiator to the vehicle's frame. With everything disconnected and unbolted, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being mindful of any remaining fluid. Installing the new radiator is the reverse of removal. Carefully lower the new radiator into its position within the engine bay, ensuring it sits correctly. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts and brackets you removed earlier. Then, reconnect all the radiator hoses, transmission cooler lines, and any electrical connectors, making sure each connection is tight and secure to prevent leaks. For the final steps, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture. It typically holds around 16 to 18 quarts. Slowly add the coolant, allowing air to escape. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature, bleeding any remaining air. Carefully inspect all connections for leaks. Finally, monitor the temperature gauge to ensure proper cooling system function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.